Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop. On Suno app you will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Suno app and you will click. Then we click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.